Hello all, welcome back to my channel Homeschooling with Hera. In today's video, we shall learn a word list for 4th graders of the words in which CH says the sh sound rather than the ch sound. When does it happen? It happens in words of French origin because CH says sh sound in French. So obviously when our children write these words, they get a little confused. And for this reason, we need to help them with some word list. So in today's video, I'll give you the most common words in which CH says the sh sound. The first is chef, a person who professionally cooks food. Chef. Shoot. Shoot. Shoot usually refer to drainage or something from which water can pass. This is shoot. See the spelling, this is the pronunciation. Chalet or chalet. Britishers say chalet and Americans say chalet. Chalet means a wooden house. It mostly happens in some hill stations or some fancy places. Chevron or chevron. It means upside down V pattern. You can see upside down V's in this pattern. So this is chevron or chevron. Chiffon. Chiffon is a type of fabric that is very soft. We also have some cakes, soft cakes that are called chiffon cakes. You can pronounce it as chiffon and chiffon. Machine. Machine. Parachute. Parachute. This thing is called a parachute. The word is mustache and mustache. This word is pronounced as well as written differently in British and American English. In American English, we have OUS for mustache, and in American English, we simply write a U, mustache. Now the word is chateau or chateau. Chateau means a castle or a very big palace. Chateau. Brochure or brochure. We do not pronounce the R in British pronunciation. It's brochure, and this is brochure in American English. In British English, crochet, and in American English, crochet. Cache. The word is cache. Cache means a hidden collection of something. Chivalry and chivalry. When a man is gentle and kind and shows lots of respect to women, he is chivalrous, and this act is called chivalry. Chenille and chenille. Almost the same pronunciation, it's just a type of fabric. Chenille. Chauffeur or chauffeur. Chauffeur or chauffeur means a person who is employed for driving, simply a driver. Cliché or cliché. Cliché or cliché means something that is boring. It's usually used with phrases that are overused and are so boring now. They even don't have very impactful meaning. So the word is cliché or cliché. Chandelier and chandelier. Chandelier in British English, chandelier in American English. A hanging light that is usually used for decorative purposes. Chaperone and chaperone. It means a person or someone who supervises someone else. Now you can write down these words, make a list of them, have your kids practice writing these words and saying the pronunciation. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And most importantly, make it a great day. Bye.